Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have my spring Fabfitfun box here with me. I've got a super big one this month. And so I'm so excited to unbox this with you. So if you want to know what I got, full box reveal including add-ons, then keep on watching. Let's admire this box for a little bit. So the theme is Spring Fling, and it says Spring Fling and very nice things. Ooh, nice. And then there's the Spring 2024. I love this kind of burnt orange look. It says deals for days. And right here on the cover, one side says spring and the other says 2024. So really love this kind of lime green and then burnt orange combo, kind of like my sweatshirt, right? Or cardigan. So guys, I've been a Fabfitfun member for over 2 years now, and I've been loving the box. It's like one of the very few boxes that I keep other than my Ipsy unboxings. I really love it because it's lifestyle. It's not just makeup. And if you guys know me, I love everything beauty, fashion, kitchen, like home decor. I love them all. You can never get tired with Fabfitfun box. You have all the things that you need, and even things that you don't think of, you end up getting. Let's see what's in my box. I'm gonna open her up. I have the annual membership. That's why I have the box super early this season. As an annual member, you pay upfront for the year, so it's around $200. I'll make sure to put the pricing over here. Once you pay upfront, you get your boxes sooner, you get to customize sooner, so you get like the top picks for the season. I was actually an annual member too. I think it fit the budget for me as well, but I was still able to pick all of the selections that I wanted for the box. The only thing is you only get to pick the first 4 customizations. Customization 5, 6, maybe 7, and 8 are picked by Fabfitfun box. With an annual membership, you get to pick all the customizations, so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Before we get started, can we just admire this super cute cardigan? It's so beautiful and well made. This is one of my add-ons. So spoiler alert, I was gonna go through my add-ons at the end of this video, but this screams spring to me. It is so cute, such a warm cardigan too. Like, I've never seen so much weight in a cardigan before, and it's just 100% well made, worth the money. That's the good thing about Fabfitfun box. Like, you get items and add-ons that are super discounted. You never pay the regular price. Okay, customization 1. I'll put all the choices over here, but I ended up getting the pickleball set. So I probably am late in the game, but apparently a lot of people are into pickleball nowadays. It's kind of like tennis, but pickleball style. I really don't know how to play the game. One of my friends said that she plays this game on the weekends and it just gets her heart running. So I'm excited. Looks like really good quality. It matches my sweater. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look up how to play pickleball, but this is probably some fun thing we could do, my husband and I can do over the weekend. So I've seen pickleball courts at malls as well, so it's definitely like a family thing, like just gives you something to do. So yeah, okay. Customization 2, I believe this is the one. This backpack, it's supposed to be an athletic backpack, but honestly I feel like this is so versatile, and you can take this to the airport. You can cinch it up. It closes with a kind of like a button there. I love the color, by the way. It came in 2 colors and I decided to get this one. So it's supposed to be a yoga bag because it says Beyond Yoga, but hello. This doubles as just a shoulder bag, but when you're running all around the airport trying to catch your connecting flight, you can also pull it this way. Oh my gosh. And it doubles as a backpack. see that? Oh my gosh. Yes, I am taking this on my trip. It's the perfect size. It's not too big. It's not too small. Super lightweight. The compartments here, it has a compartment at the bottom where you can put like shoes, apparently. Shoes! I think I would say that this would be good for a woman's shoe size. You know, throw in your sandals or tennis shoes in here. It might fit some men's shoes as well, but so this is like a nice gym bag slash airport bag. And yeah, I think I'm definitely going to be taking this to the airport. I have to see what kind of luggage allowance we have for this, but I love it. The quality is great. Like, it's not thin, it's super thick. You have pockets for your water bottles. It's just so versatile. Let's see what's inside. A plain old compartment in there, but you also have one zip pocket for like easy access, important things. But yeah, throw in your phone here and you are good to go. All right, so that's customization number 2. I'm loving the 2 items so far. Okay, customization 3. Super cute. Like, what is this? The shape is kind of weird right now, but I feel like you can really shape it into however way you want it. But this is supposed to be more rounded. This is Short Stories, large basket. Well, this is supposed to be a small version of their basket. Last season, there was a bigger version of it, which was more for planters. I'm loving the quality. It's beautiful. I like the nudiness of it. It's just perfect. Like, this is a decorative piece, but also a very nice way to organize your things. Just kind of like a container that you throw everything in. One of the best choices I've made. I have to say, I wasn't as super excited for the last few customizations, but for customization 4, I got my daily check-in notebook. My daughter loves to write on notebooks, just anything that has to do with writing on her daily journal, her to-do list. She loves to keep track of dates and important dates. It looks like it has a daily check-in, my word of the day, self-care act of the day, movement of the day, and you could put today's date. So you're not limited to a certain date. And then it has some affirmations. Today, I'm grateful for. So you just fill that out. It just helps you kind of self-reflect for the day and also write your to-do list. Now that I look at it, I don't know if I want to give it to my daughter. I love it too much.
So guys, I totally forgot that this journal comes with a 6-month membership with Sammy Clark, and it's going to be a yoga membership. So with the yoga membership and the journal, this is a $206 value for this customization.
It's getting me inspired. But yeah, it's super cute. So customization 5 is Dr. Jart Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. So it's a facial cream. Now, most moisturizers, I feel like, are bigger than this. This looks like a sample size to me, like a deluxe size, a travel size. If you don't know, I'm in my early or almost mid 40s. I don't think I can use the early 40s anymore, but my face has changed over the years. I went from super oily, acne prone to like dry like the Sahara. So now like my taste in makeup, my taste in everything has changed as far as skincare and everything to a more dewy, hydrated type of product. Speaking of changes in products, I did a comparison between e.l.f. and Charlotte Tilbury, affordable versus high-end product, and they're both like very glowy type of products. So if you are interested in that and to hear my thoughts on that, definitely check this video out. Bottom line, I got this moisturizer. It's supposed to be super hydrating, locks in the moisture in your face. Dr. Jart is a Korean brand and they can be found at Sephora. I thought it was a lip gloss, honestly. So I'm just kind of a little slightly disappointed that, you know, it wasn't bigger. I've had bigger moisturizers in a jar before. So anywho, that's that. And then the lip butter. I think I'm going to put this in the car. I just realized I don't have a lip gloss in the car at all, and my daughter was asking for one. Yeah, I can't put it on right now because it's gonna smudge, but it's giving Aquaphor vibes, but honestly, a little sticky. It has a little minty scent, which I love. I think once it absorbs into the lips better, it's gonna look nice. And this is the kind of lip gloss I want underneath my lipstick. Nude Sticks is a great brand, so loving that. And then lastly, guys, I have the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Now, I hope I end up liking this mascara. It's actually a volumizing mascara, but with my type of lashes, I realized over the years, I need the lengthening one because my lashes don't like to stay up. It just wants to stay down and droopy. So I need the lengthening one to kind of add that length and then be able to like curl my lashes. And Thrive is a cruelty-free vegan brand. I recently did a video on my recommendations of hypoallergenic eyeliners, liquid liners. So if you guys are interested in that, Thrive is one of them. Definitely a great contender for like sensitive eyes. If you are having trouble with your eye makeup, maybe it's the eyeliner, definitely check that out. I have a few brands that I highly recommend there. That is it for the box. There are two types of add-ons. One where you select more than one customization. And then there's the add-ons, like the add-on sale, which is a totally different set of items, well-loved products. They are heavily discounted, so we purchase them. So it is not included in the price of the box. These I had to pay a little extra, but not so much, honestly. I'm not sure which customization, but I ended up getting this salad bowl kit from Swell. Swell is an amazing brand, and this bowl is huge. But, you know, you can put your salad in here. You can put all your like ingredients in here for the salad. You even have a little container for your dressing. And then you just put everything in here and then make like a Kardashian and start shaking your salad bowl.
Good shaker. We know how much you guys love it. Eating a salad with us and just shaking a salad.
It's so cute. I love the pink, great quality. It is a little bit on the big side, I feel like, for like taking it to work, because I don't know where I would put it. You'll need a bigger lunchbox for it because it's kind of deep. I think if it was slightly a little less, maybe just like a ½ inch less, it would be the perfect size. I paid like maybe $15 for this to add as a second customization. Very affordable. These last 4 items are just from the add-on sale. I got a car vacuum cleaner for like little messes, you know. It's a little handheld vacuum cleaner, and yeah, it's definitely gonna get into those hard to reach places in your car. So I'm excited about that. I think it was originally $50, but I bought it for like 20. Last 2 items are again in the add-on sale. This is the Ole Hendrickson oil control. I figured I can give this to my son, and he uses cleansers, which sometimes it hurts that I have to give him the cleanser. When my son runs out of skincare or a cleanser, he's like, I need more cleanser. And I'm like, okay, here, you can have it. But then it's like, I can't let go. But now we have 2, so my son and I can both have one of each. If you have oily skin, this is great cleanser. Last but not least, I got a refill, my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. This one I get all the time. Whenever I see it from Fabfitfun, I get it, or whenever I see it in general. I do have some amazing hair products that I've been using lately, so I didn't miss it as much. But when I saw it on sale, extremely discounted, I was like, you know what, I need it. Living Proof is at Sephora. It's a hair care brand. They have all sorts of stuff. I also use their Scalp Revival shampoo. I love that because it takes away the excess dandruff and buildup on your hair. Helps balances my scalp as well. But this styling treatment, it It literally is a styling treatment. As you can see, I don't like curling my hair. I like to keep it straight, but I need that volume. This is exactly what it does to my hair. It volumizes, almost leaves a nice texture to the hair. It gives me that perfect hair day. So, all right, so that is everything in my box, guys. I will have the total over here.
So the 6 items in the box, excluding the additional customization and add-on items, is totaling $433 in value.
This box alone is $50, and I got all of the items with the exception of the add-ons that I showed you here on the later part of this video. So not bad. I mean, $50 for this woven kind of container. The Beyond Yoga backpack. So there's that. I have my pickleball set. I have the Neat notebook. And then in here, I've got the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, the lip gloss, and the skincare product from Dr. Jart. So I think it's worth it. Oh guys, this is part of my add-on from the add-on sale, this cardigan. And yeah, I think this is gonna be my next airport outfit. So anywho, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. I am so close, guys, to 2,000 subscribers. If you could help me out, share this video, subscribe, and we're gonna have a super big 2K celebration and giveaway soon. So definitely join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.